Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the second exercise, word problems. Okay, we will majorly cover with the word problems in this video. Okay, here we have a question. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose numbers is 613, whose sum is 16. So here what is asking, find the two consecutive numbers. Okay, the consecutive numbers means let x and x plus 1 be the consecutive numbers, be two consecutive numbers, see here, consecutive numbers means 7 8 6 7, or else 4 5 4 5 6 7 7 8 9 10, in this way. Okay, we will say these are consecutive numbers. Okay, in similar way here x and x plus 1 are the two consecutive numbers, so here x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive numbers is saying sum of whose squares is 613, right? So given is what? Sum of whose square is equals to 13 is 613 is given. Okay, whose square. Now here sum, first do the sum, squares. Okay, sum of squares, whose square. So first do them, apply the square here, x square, and this is x plus 1 whole square. So sum is addition. Okay, sum is addition is equals to 613. From here this is x square plus a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So follow this formula. Okay, so this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to 613. Okay, now next step is x square plus x square is 2x square plus 1 square is 1, 2 into x 2x, okay, is equals to 613. So bring this 613 to the left hand side. 2x square plus 2x minus 613 plus 1 we have is equals to 0, right? So from here what we can write? 2x square plus 2x minus 613 plus 1 is minus 612 equals to 0, right? So here 2 is there, take 2 common, x square plus x minus 2 3 is 6, okay, and 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 is equals to 0, and 2 send it to the right hand side, so it will become x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So hence we have a quadratic form. Okay, we have a quadratic form. Factorization 306 we have, right? 306. So can I here LCM? 2 ones are 2, okay, 1 carries here 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Similarly here one more, 2 sevens are no we have 3 here, right? 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and here 2 remains, right? 2 21, so 3 sevens are 21. So here 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. So this is what is this multiplication? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s, and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So this is 18 and 17. 18 into 17, what is the result here? 306, right? If I subtract here 306, we can make 18 into 17, right? So if I multiply this, you can get 306, and by using these numbers I can get a middle term. Okay, I can get a middle term. So here 18 17 is there, so if I plus say 18 and minus 17, I can get 1 plus, right? Plus 1. So from here I'm writing x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equals to 0. And from here what I can write here? X take common, x plus 18 minus 17 take common. In the place of minus you will get plus because we are to common, right? So x plus 18. Here in this 306 we have 18 into 17. Okay, so 17 17 take common, remaining 18 is there, so I wrote here 18. Okay, clear. Next is equals to 0. Here x plus 18 both are take common, same run, and here x minus 17 equals to 0. Here x plus 18 equals to 0 or x minus 17 equals to 0. This factor is equals to 0 or this factor is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 18 or x is equals to plus 17. Okay, what is saying here? Is saying positive integers, right? Is saying positive integers, so better to go with the positive integers. So that's the reason this is rejected. This is rejected because is saying positive integers. Okay, x is equals to 17 is a one number and x plus 1 is the one more consecutive number, right? 17 plus 1, therefore 18. Hence therefore 17 18 are consecutive numbers. Okay, that's all. Here we have a question. A cotton industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If total cost of the production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of the each article. Now we will consider first, let number of the articles produced, number of articles produced b x. Okay, bx. Consider x number of articles is producing. Okay, then what is asking is saying what? It was observed that cost of production of each article was 3 more than the twice. Okay, cost of the production here, cost of the production was 3 more than the twice. 3 more, so 3 more means plus 3. Okay, 3 more means plus 3 3 more, then twice the number of articles produced. And number of articles we assumed x, right? Twice the x. So this is given as 2x plus 3. So here cost of the production is 2x plus 3. Okay, just he said cost of the product. Okay, and number of articles per unit, 2x plus 3 is the cost. Okay, here we have an x number, so total cost is how much? Let us say we have here 5 bananas. Okay, each banana is let us say 10 rupees, 5 rupees. Then 5 for total cost of the banana is how much? 5 into 5, right? We'll multiply the 5 number of bananas into 5 rupees, so you will get 25 rupees total cost. In similar way here, total cost of the production we will multiply here. Total cost of production, what we multiply? Number of products. Here x is there, into here cost is how much per product? 2x plus 3 is there. Okay, given. So here total cost of the production is given. What is given? It was 90 rupees. So given total cost of the production is 90 is equals to here x into 2x plus 3, and from here 90 is equals to x into 2x is 2x square plus x into 3 is 3x. So from here what we can say, right? 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0, right? So here 2 6 and 2 9s are 18, right? 2 9s are 18, 180. So 180 we have 2 into 90 is 180. So 180 we need to factorize, split it. Okay, split in such a way that you should get a middle term 3. Okay, so what I'm doing here, 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18. So 3 6 are 18. If I add up 60 plus 3, how much you will get? You won't get, right? 3 in mid. So and 60 can be 6 into 10, right? 6 into 10. So 3 6 are 18. 18 10. If I do, I can't able to get the middle term, right? 3. So we'll do LCM. Okay, 290 is 180. So 180, if we do LCM, you can get the factors, so that we can able to make middle term. Okay, so middle term here, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, or else 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So from 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Now 3 4s are 12, you will get. 3 5s are 15, you will get, right? So 12 into 15, you will get 180. If I subtract here, so 180 can be splitted as 12 into 15. If I subtract 15 minus 12, you will get 3 middle terms. So I am writing here factorization factors. Factors are 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equals to 0. And from here, 2x common, x common, only x common, remaining is 2x plus 15. Okay, minus here, what we are supposed to take common? 6 we are supposed to take common. Okay, so if I take common 6 here, remaining is 2, right? 2x. In similar way here, minus will become plus because we took common negative, na? That is the reason why. So here in the place of 90, you will get 15. Okay, 15 equals to 0. Here 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15 same, take common, 2x plus 15. And here x minus 6 remains, x minus 6 remains, equals to 0. So from here, a into b is equals to 0 means either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to minus 15. Send this 15 to the right hand side, it will become minus 15. Okay, x is equals to minus 15 by 2, or x is equals to plus 6. Here 6 is what here, actually x is what here, number of articles produced, right? A number of articles always be positive. Okay, always be positive number, like 2 number of bananas, 3 number of bananas, we can say that, right? But we can't able to say negative of minus 5 bananas we have, minus 2 bananas. So we are not considering negative terms. Okay, we are not considering negative terms, so this is rejected. So therefore number of articles produced is equals to 6. Okay, x is equals to 6, and the cost of the production is 2x plus 3. Okay, cost of production per unit is equals to 2x plus 3. So this is x actually. Okay, x is equals to, so 2 6 are 12 plus 3, how much? 15 rupees. It costs 15 rupees. That's all. Therefore this is the solution. Okay, clear? This is the solution. This is the procedure, and this is the way of solving the solution. Clear? Done. Here base of the triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is 48, area of a triangle is 48 square units, find its base and altitude. Okay, so given data is what? Given data is area of a triangle is given, and base of the triangle is 4 meters longer than altitude. Okay, so what we assume here, given is what? Area of a triangle. Area of triangle is given as 48 square units, centimeters. Okay, square centimeters. So 48 is given, 48 square units. This is. Now here let base let altitude be altitude or height, whatever, be x. Okay, then base is saying here, base is equals to is saying that 4 meters longer when comparing to altitude. Okay, this is the base. Okay, next what is saying here, find its altitude, find its base and altitude is saying. Okay, find its base and altitude. So we know area of a triangle, we know area of a triangle formula. Area of triangle formula is equals to half into base into height. Area of a triangle is how much? 48 is equals to 1 by 2 into base is how much? X, 4 plus x, 4 plus x, and height is how much? X. So from here we can frame, right? So 2 multiply here. So 48 into 2 is equals to x into 4, 4x, right? X into 4, 4x, plus x into x, x square. And from here 4x square plus 4x, and 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9, 96. Here plus, if I bring this side, minus is equals to 0. So from here x square plus 4x minus 96 is equals to 0. And here do LCM 96 so that we can able to get the middle term. Okay, 96. 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6. Okay, next 4 4 8 is a 32, 4 8 is a 32. So 3 4 is a 12, 3 4 is a 12. This is 12, 12 into 8. So 96 can be splitted as 12 into 8. If I subtract 12 minus 8, I can get 4, right? So I am writing x square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 is equals to 0. Okay, we are splitting middle term in such a way that 12 minus 8 is 4 and 12 into 8 is 96, 96, right? So this is a factorization method. Okay, it's a factorization method. So from here x take common, x remains here because degree 2 is there, right? So x plus 12 minus 8 take common, x plus 12 equals to 0. And from here x plus 2, 12 take common, and this is x minus 8 equals to 0. Hence a into b is equals to 0 means either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Okay, so x is minus 12 or x is equals to plus 8. Here distances never be negative, right? Distance be negative, can't be negative, therefore x is equals to 8, x is equals to 8. What is saying here is asking altitude and base, find altitude and base. So altitude we got x, what we assumed, altitude be x, right? Altitude be x is height, and base be what? Base is equals to what we assume, base is 4 plus x, 4 plus x, therefore 4 plus x is 8, so this is 12, therefore base is equals to 12 and altitude is 8, therefore that's all. These are the altitude is equals to 8, base is equals to 12, therefore we asked what we asked, find its base and altitude, that's all. This is a solution. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. Clear? The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Find the other two sides. Here right angle triangle is said, right? So we'll draw the right angle triangle. Okay, this is A, B, C. So given, what is given? Hypotenuse is given. Given hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is how much? 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters. So AC is given. Okay, AC is 13 centimeters given. Now what is saying? Altitude of a right triangle means altitude means height. Okay, altitude means height. Altitude of a triangle is equals to 7 centimeters less means when comparing to base, let us say this is base minus 7. Okay, hence let us consider, let base be x. Okay, base is equals to x, then altitude is of what we can write, altitude can be written as x minus 7, right? So we have a basis means BC here, base is BC. Okay, here BC is equals to base, AB is equals to altitude, okay, and AC is the hypotenuse. Now this is x, then this is x minus 7. Okay, we have a Pythagoras, use Pythagoras theorem. use Pythagoras, use Pythagoras, Pythagoras formula. What is the formula Pythagoras? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square is what? 13 square. 13 square is equals to AB is what? X minus 7, x minus 7 whole square plus BC is what? X square. Okay, now we will solve this problem. 13 square is what? 169 is equals to A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square, right? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So from here we will write x square minus 2AB plus B square plus x square remains x square. So A is x, B is 7. So from here we can write it as 169 is equals to x square minus 2 sevens are 14 into x plus 7 sevens are 49 plus x square. Okay, so here x square plus x square is 2x square, right? So bring this 169 to the right hand side. Okay, then it will become 0. X square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Bring this term to the right hand side. I can write it as minus 169, right? So from here 0 is equals to 2x square minus 14x plus 49, right? 49 minus 169 is how much? 120, right? So can I write this? So what I am doing, yeah, whole term is I am writing to the left hand side. Okay, 2 take common, 2 take common from here. Can I write x square minus 2 sevens 14x minus here 60 is equals to 0. So bring this 2 to the right hand side. It will become x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0 by 2, right? 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 always 0. So 0. So we have factorization x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Okay, minus 60, so x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. From here we need to factorize the term. Okay, 60 can be written as 12 5s are 60, right? 12 5s are 60 and 12 minus 5 7, you are getting middle term 7, right? So here factorization factors are 12 5. Here middle term, splitting the middle term, x square minus 7x is there, right? So I am writing minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. Okay, so from here take x common and x remains x minus 12 plus 5 take common, x minus 12 equals to 0, right? This is 0. So x minus 12 take common, remaining is x plus 5 equals to 0. A into B is equals to 0 means either A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. Okay, so here also factors A into B. Here 2 factors equals to 0 means either one factor equals to 0 or other factor is equals to 0. Okay, so bring this 12 to the right hand side. It will become plus 12 and x is equals to minus 5. So which is we need to consider here distance always, BC distance always positive. That's the reason negative are rejected, negatives rejected. Okay, this is rejected, so this is proper answer, this is correct answer. Rejected, this is rejected and this is positive, we will consider. Now what we assume, base is equals to x, right? X is what? 12 centimeters, right? He given a units, don't consider and don't forget that. Okay, 12 centimeters is given, so 12 centimeters. And altitude is given as what? Altitude is equals to x minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is how much? 5, right? So 5, this is 5 centimeters. Therefore this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. That's all. Clear? Here we have a question. 2 trains leaves a railway station at the same time. First train travels towards west and second train travels towards north. Okay, first we will draw the directions. So north, south, east, west. Okay, so here the first train travels towards west. Okay, let us say this is two train leaves a railway station. Let us say this is a railway station. This point is railway station. Okay. Now at first train travel towards west. So towards west means this direction, right? So I am drawing here. A train leaves towards west, right? This is the west direction. So first train, this is first train. Okay, next. And second train towards north. Second train towards north, right? Towards north. So north. And this is second train. Second train. Okay. And first train travels 15 kilometers, 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. So here second train we don't know. First train is given when comparing to the second train. Okay. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. Okay, after 2 hours 50 kilometers apart. This is 50 kilometers given. 50 kilometers is given. Okay. So here let us assume let what is saying first train is comparing with second train, right? So that is the reason why I am just considering second train. Let second train speed is equals to x. Okay, then what is the first train speed? First train speed. First train speed is how much? X plus 5 kilometers more when comparing to second train, right? Kilometers per hour. So this is kilometer per hour. This is a speeds, right? This is a speeds. So the time is taken after 2 hours. After 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. Okay, this is 50. This is 50 kilometers apart. So I am drawing once again. This is, let us say, right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. X plus 5 speed, and this is second train speed is x. So this distance is given. Distance is how much? 50 kilometers is given, but we are considering in terms of kilometer per hour, right? So we are considering speeds, not distances in right angle triangle. So this right angle triangle 50 kilometers, what is the speed here? Speed is equals to, in 2 hours they separated 50 kilometers. So speed is equals to distance by time. This is distance by time. So distance is 50 kilometers by 2 hours. So this is 25 kilometer per hour. Hence this right angle triangle is 25 kilometer. We can't consider 50 kilometers because here this is speed, but this is distance, right? We are considering in right angle triangle, everything should be supposed to be 1 unit. Like we will consider distances, all it should be in distances. If we consider velocities, all should be in terms of velocities. Okay, so better to go with this. Next, in a right angle triangle, here using Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Okay, so from here AB square is base hypotenuse 25 square, and BC is how much? X plus 5 whole square, plus AC is x square. Okay, so from here we can write it as 25 is 625 is equals to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the formula, right? So from here we can write it as a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's all. Next here x square remains x square. So from here 625 is equals to x square plus x square is how much? 2x square. And 2 5 is 10 into x, 10x, plus 5 5 is 25. Okay, so bring this 625 to the right hand side. So here leftover is 0. 0 is equals to 2x square plus 10x plus 25. Plus 625 comes here minus 625. Okay, minus 625. And from here we can write it as 0 is equals to 2x square plus 10x minus 600 equals to, sorry, 600. Okay, 600. So from here, this term I'm writing, take common 2. First I'm writing this term. Okay. 2 take common, x square plus 5x minus, this is how much, 300, right? Equals to 0. Bring this 2 to the right hand side. So what you will get, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equals to 0 by 2 you will get, and also 0 by 2 is always become 0, right? So from here, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equals to 0. So better to go with the factorization method. Okay, factorization method. So here 300, here we have a 300 multiples. Okay, here I am writing 15 into 20 is how much, 300, right? 15 into 20. So if I subtract 20 minus 15, we can get middle term, right? So we are factorizing. 5x can be written as 20x minus 15x minus 300 equals to 0. And from here take x common, from here take x common, x plus 20. From here minus 15 take common, from here take minus 15 common. So from here we can say minus 15 take common, x plus 20, right? Plus 20. 300 multiple is 15, 20, right? If I take common 50, then 20 remains, so I wrote here 20. Okay, is equals to 0. If I take minus common, in the place of minus I can get plus, in the minus plus. So from here x plus 20, x plus 20 is same, take common, x plus 20. And x minus 15 equals to 0. So we have a 2 factors is equals to 0, means what? Either one factor is equals to 0 or other factor equals to 0, right? So from here x is equals to minus 20 or x is equals to 15. Therefore here speeds can't be negative, so we are rejecting this and we are considering this problem. Okay, therefore, so here second train speed b, second train speed is equals to x is equals to 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, 15 kilometers per hour. And then second, first train is what? First train speed is equals to x plus 5, right? X plus 5 means 15 plus 5 kilometers per hour. So 15 plus 5 is how much? 20 kilometers per hour. Therefore we say that this is the conclusion, that's all. So here first train travels speed of 20 km per hour, second train travels 15 km per hour. Okay, done. Is this clear? That's all. What is asking here? Find the average speed of the each train, he said. Average speed of the each train. So we found each train speed. That's all. This is the solution. Here in general, f ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In previous problem till now we just did the factorization method, right? But here we can use the quadratic formula also. Okay, quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula. So yeah, in general we factorized and we found the roots. Here also we are just using the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, here a value is x square coefficient, b value is x coefficient, c is constant. Okay, x square coefficient means x square beside term we will say a. Okay, x beside term b we will say, and c is a constant term. Okay, this is the quadratic formula. We can find the roots of the quadratic. Now here in this root over positive exists, root over 0 exists, but root over negative doesn't exist. Okay, for 10th class syllabus doesn't exist. Okay, this is not a real roots. So here positive and 0 both are exist in root. Okay, a motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water, it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to the downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream, he's saying. Okay, So first here listen carefully. This is a river. Okay, here stream means water speed. Water speed is this. Okay, water is moving in this direction. Okay, this is we have a boat. Okay, boat is traveling opposite to the speed of the water. Okay, boat is traveling opposite the speed of the water. Then this is upstream. Okay, this is upstream. 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 Okay, and from while returning the boat here, let us say, okay, assume, okay, this is a boat and it is traveling towards like speed of the boat and water speed both are equal, hence it will travels more speed, right? This is downstream. Downstream. Here in the upstream, speed of the water and boat speed both are opposite in direction. Okay, in upstream speed of the water, speed of the boat both are opposite direction. In downstream, speed of water and speed of the boat both are in same direction, in the same direction in downstream. Okay, downstream we have water speed and boat speed both are same direction. We can say both same direction means addition of the velocities. Here opposite means subtraction of the velocities. Okay, so first what is given here? A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water. It takes 1 hour more to go. So here, let what is asking, find the speed of the stream. So let the speed of the stream be speed of stream is equals to x. Okay, kilometer per hour. So here what speed of the boat is given? Speed of boat is given. What is that? 18 kilometers per hour. 18 kilometers per hour. So here he is discussing about the upstream and downstream. Okay, so upstream, what is upstream here? Upstream means boat speed and water speed both are opposite direction, so we will subtract the speed. Okay, upstream speed is equals to upstream speed is equals to 18 minus x. Okay, kilometers per hour units. Here downstream speed equals to we should add because both are in same direction. 18 plus x kilometer per hour. So here upstream speed is given, downstream speed is, we got it. Now what is saying? It takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to the return to the downstream, the same spot. So he is saying 1 hour. That means here what is saying given, what is given is what given, time taken by the upstream. Let us say upstream, this is okay, upstream minus time taken downstream is equals to given is what? 1 hour. He is saying in this way. Okay, 1 hour. So this is a given. Okay, time taken by a boat for the upstream minus time taken by a downstream, both differences are 1 hour is saying. Okay, so it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to the downstream, return to the downstream same spot. So distance is what? Distance is 24 kilometers, right? 24 kilometers. So in general we need to find the time, right? Time for the upstream. Here speed, what is the formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. In order to find time, if I send this time to the left hand side, then distance by speed can I write? So d for distance, speed. Okay, so I can write time now here. Time for the upstream. Upstream is equals to what? I can write distance by speed. Distance is 24 and speed of the upstream is what? Speed of the upstream is 18 minus x, right? 18 minus x, this is 18 minus x. Similarly, next, time taken by the upstream and downstream is equals to same distance by speed. So distance is same, constant 24, and speed is what for downstream? 18 plus x, right? 18 plus x I'm writing, 18 plus x. Therefore here time for the upstream, time for downstream is given. So therefore this is, we know that from the given condition, time taken by the upstream, I'm writing shortcut, upstream minus time taken by the downstream is equals to 1 hour is given. 1 hour is given. So here we got the time for the upstream is 24 by 18 minus x, 18 minus x, minus downstream is 24 by 18 plus x is equals to 1 hour. Therefore we'll solve this. Okay, 24 take common, 24 take common, you'll get 1 by 18 minus x minus 1 by 18 plus x is equals to 1. So from here 24 take LCM, 18 plus x minus of 18 minus x by 18 minus x into 18 plus x is equals to 1. Okay, so in the next step here 24 send it to the right hand side. So 18 plus x minus into 18 minus 18 minus into minus plus x by here a plus b into a minus b formula. We have formula a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This is the formula. Okay, so write the formula. This is 18 square minus x square is equals to, here's 24 sent to the right hand side, 1 by 24. So from here 18 plus 18 minus 18 cancel, 2x by 18 square. 18 square is how much? So 18 18s are 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14, and 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, so 4, this is 12, this is 324. Okay, 18 square is 324 minus x square is equals to 1 by 24. Cross multiplication now, cross multiplication. So from here what I'm doing, 2x into 24 is equals to 324 minus x square. Okay, minus x square. So 2 24s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48. X is equals to 324 minus x square. Bring this term to the right hand side. Oh no, bring entire terms to the left hand side. Okay, because x square makes sure positive, x square coefficient should be positive. Okay, so send to the x square, positive x square, and this is minus 324, and this is plus 48, x is equals to 0. Now this is x square plus 48 x minus 324 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of what, ax square. And also we can solve this by two methods. One is factorization method, other method is quadratic formula. Okay, in previous problem we solved factorization, but in this we will solve with the quadratic formula. Okay, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? A is equals to what, 1, b is equals to what, 48, c is equals to what, minus 324. Okay, comparing, c is in the place of c we have minus 324, beside x we have b 48, beside x square a 1 is there, if anything is nothing is there, 1 we will consider. So here b is equals to 48 and c is equals to minus 324. So we have a formula quadratic, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus b is not minus 48 plus or minus root over b square means 48 square minus 4ac, okay, 4ac, a is 1, c is minus 324, okay, minus 324 by 2a, a value is 1, so x is equals to minus 48 plus or minus root over 48 square. What is the 48 square? 48 into 48. So 8 8s are 64, 6, 4 8s are 32, plus 2, 38, into 4 8s are 32, right? 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19, 16 plus 3, 19, so 19. So this is 4, this is 10, and this is 13, and this is 2, 2304. So 48 square is 2304 minus. Next, minus into minus plus 4 into 324. 4 into 324. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 4 3s are 12. So 1296. 1296 by 2a. 2 into a is 2a. Okay. So no need of 2 into 1 2 only. Okay. 2 into 1 2. So from here 2304 addition 2304 2304 and 1296 addition. This is 10 and this is also 10 and this is 6 and this is 36. So 36. From here x is equals to minus 48 plus or minus root over 3600 by 2. So root over 3600 here. 36 can be written as 3600 can be written as 36 into 100, right? 3600 can be written as 36 into 100. 36 can be written as 6 square. 100 can be written as 10 square. Can I write in the place of 3600 6 square into 10 square? So I am writing here minus 48 plus or minus root over 6 square into 10 square by 2. So minus 48 plus or minus root over 6 square into root over 10 square. Okay. So square square cancel, square root cancel by this is 2. So remaining is minus 48 plus or minus 6 into 10 60, right, by 2. Therefore first consider we have two values plus and minus. Okay, first consider plus. Okay, minus 48 plus 60 by 2 and x is equals to next consider negative minus 60 by 2. So x is equals to this is how much, this is how much, minus 48 plus 60 is how much, 12. Okay, plus 12 by 2 and x is equals to this is 108, this is minus 108 by 2. So here negative value doesn't exist, right? What is discussing here? X is what? X is what here? X is speed. X is speed. Stream of the speed of the stream is x, right? Speed of the stream is x. So x doesn't exist negative. So x is negative, doesn't exist. We will consider this. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Therefore, what is the speed of the stream? Speed of stream is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. This can be solved here. X square plus 48x minus 324 we can solve in factorization method also. Okay, you can solve in factorization method also, it's okay, or else you can solve in this method also. Okay, that's all. Here we have a question. A motorboat heads upstream at a distance of 24 kilometers in a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. So here current is nothing but stream speed. Okay, so what is given? Distance traveled by a boat. Distance is given is equals to given distance 24 kilometers. Okay, 24 kilometers. And in a river whose current is, so speed of the stream, speed of stream given is equals to 3 kilometers. 3 kilometer per hour is given. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. That means time taken by the upstream plus time taken by the downstream is equals to how much is at 6 hours is that? Okay, 6 hours. Okay, time taken by the upstream plus time taken by the downstream is equals to 6 hours total time. Okay, so assuming that the motorboat maintain a constant speed. Okay, what was the speed in the still water? So speed of the boat is asking, speed of boat boat is equals to what? Speed of the boat is what? X, let us say. Okay, we don't know X. So we already discussed upstream means what? Upstream speed always subtraction, right? Stream upstream speed always subtract, right? X minus 3, and boat speed minus stream speed. Okay, downstream speed is equals to x plus 3. Okay, from here time taken by the upstream is equals to, now what is the formula here? Distance by speed, right? Distance by speed. So distance is how much? 24 by speed is how much? Speed is upstream is x minus 3, and time taken by the downstream. Okay, this is downstream, this is upstream, shortcut. So distance by speed formula. So distance is how much? Distance is 24, and speed is how much? X plus 3. So we got it t time t1 and t2. Okay, time taken by the upstream, time taken by the downstream is, we got it both times. Addition of this is given 6 hours. So from this equation we are substituting these two conditions in first equation. First equation implies what? Time taken by the upstream plus time taken by the downstream is equals to 6 hours, we said. So here plus addition 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3 equals to 6. So take common 24, and from here 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3 equals to 6, and from here 24 is multiple. If I send to the right hand side, I can get it as 6 by 24, right? So if I do this LCM, x plus 3 plus x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x plus 3 is equals to 6 by, if I send it this side 24, it will become, right? So plus 3 minus 3 cancel, x plus x is 2x by a minus b into a plus b formula, a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, x square minus 3 square, x square minus 3 square. Okay, this is 3 square is equals to 6 4s are 24. This is 4, 1 by 4. So this, bring this 4 to the right hand side and this to the cross multiplication now. From here 2x into 4 is equals to x square minus 3 3 is 9. So therefore this is 4 2s are 8x is equals to x square minus 9. So bring this 8x to the right hand side. So x square minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. So therefore this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a value is 1, b value is minus 8, c value is minus 9. Okay, you can also solve this in a factorization method. Okay, factorization method. So we will solve with the first quadratic, because already we solved factorization method, so better to get an idea. Okay, that is the reason why I am just solving this. X is equals to, we have formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to, minus b is how much? Minus of minus 8 plus or minus root over b square is minus 8 whole square minus 4. A is how much? 1. C is how much? Minus 9. So by 2a, a value is 1. So we can write it at x is equals to minus plus 8 plus or minus root over 8 8 is 64, minus into minus plus 4 9 is 36, 4 9 is 36 by 2. Okay, x is equals to 8 plus or minus root over 64 plus 36 is 100 by 2. Here remember, root over 100 is 10. Okay, root over 100 is 10. So root over 100 is 10. So I am writing this 10. X is equals to 8 plus or minus, this is 10 by 2. So here plus or minus, first consider plus and next minus. 8 plus 10 by 2, and x is equals to 8 minus 10 by 2. So if we do this, x is equals to 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 is 18 by 2. So x is equals to 2 9s are 18. So and x is equals to 9 km per hour. So this is x is equals to minus 2. 8 minus 10 minus 2 by 2. So you are getting negative, rejected. You are getting negative, right? Rejected. Always positive. Okay, x is equals to 9 km per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat is speed of boat is equals to 9 kilometer per hour is the solution. Okay, solution. That's all. This is the answer. Done. So here in this question, in a class 60 students, each boy contributes rupees equals to the number of girls, and each girl contributed rupees equals to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was 1600, how many boys were in the class? So here total students, total number of students, total number of students. Okay, number of students is equals to 60 students. Okay, 60. Now we don't know boys and girls. Let us say, let number of boys be x. Okay, then number of girls is according to the total, right? According to the total, we can say number of girls be how much? 60 minus x, right? 60 minus x. So number of girls be 60 minus x. So here what is saying? Boys contribution, boys contribution, boys contribution be x into 60 minus x. Okay, x into 60 minus x. And girls contribution is 60 minus x into x, 60 minus x into x, reverse, girls into boys. Because here, see here, what is saying? Each boy contributed rupees equals to the number of girls, is said, right? And each girl contributed rupees equals to the number of boys, is said. So here now boys contribution is x into 60 minus x, and girls contribution is 60 minus x into x. So here total contribution is how much? Total contribution is equals to 1600 given. Okay, this is 1600 is given. Total contribution 1600. Therefore in the total contribution, what is the boys contribution here? Boys contribution plus girls contribution is equals to 1600. Okay, so here what is the boys contribution? X into 60 minus x plus girls contribution 60 minus x into x is equals to 1600, right? So from here what we can write, this is, let us consider 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit plus 1 unit is how much? 2 times, right? 2 units of x into 60 minus x is equals to 1600. So we can write it as 2, send it to the right hand side. So x into 60 minus x is equals to 1600 by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. So x into 60 minus x is equals to 800, right? 800. So x into multiply inside, x into 60 60x, x into x minus x square is equals to 800. And from here bring this term to the right hand side, it will become x square and minus 60x plus 800 equals to 0. And from here 800, we have an 800, right? We will use the quadratic or factorization, your wish. Okay, you can use either factorization or quadratic. I am using here quadratic. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and a is equals to 1, b is equals to what here? X coefficient is minus 60. Okay, don't forget minus, and c is equals to 800. Okay, quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so substitute here in this. X is equals to minus b means minus of minus 60 plus or minus root over b square is minus 60 whole square minus 4ac a is what? 1, c is what? 800. Okay, by 2a 2a value is 1. So x is equals to minus plus 60 plus or minus and root over 60 square. 60 square is how much? 6 6 3600. Okay, 3600 minus 4 8 3200 by 2. Okay, 3600 minus 3200 is 400, right? X is equals to 60 plus or minus, this is 400 by 2. So here don't forget, here root over 400 can be written as 20 square. Okay, square root cancel, 20 you will get. So in the place of root over 40, what I can write here? What I can write? 20. Okay, x is equals to 60 plus or minus 20 by 2. So first consider plus 60 plus 20 by 2, and next consider minus 60 minus 20 by 2. So x is equals to 60 plus 20 is how much? 60 plus 20 is 80 by 2. Okay, 80 by 2. And x is equals to 60 minus 20 is how much? uh, 40 by 2. So this is x is equals to 40, x is equals to 20. Okay, any values. Okay, x is equals to 40 or x is equals to 20 are the contribution. One is boy and one is girl. Okay, now let us say x is equals to boys, right? Number of boys is, if number of boys is, if number of boys is equals to 40 means number of girls is definitely should be what? 20. Or number of boys is equals to 20 means number of girls is equals to what? According to this 40. Okay, 40. So this is the final solutions. This is the final solutions. That's all. Clear? The quadratic equation can be represented by ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? Here the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here for the quadratic we have a two roots. Okay, because 2 degree we have, that's the reason two roots. For finding roots we can follow factorization method. Okay, factorization method, or else quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula is this. Okay, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now for this you will get the two roots. Okay, because of this degree 2 we have a two roots, but nature of the roots, for finding nature of the roots, for finding nature of roots will follow the discrimination. Okay, here under the root we have b square minus 4ac, right? 4ac. If root over plus is exist, root over 0 is exist, root over negative doesn't exist. That's the reason we will consider discrimination. Okay, nature of the roots can be determined by using these three concepts. Root over plus is exists, root over 0 is exists, but root over negative doesn't exist. That is the reason why we are discussing about the nature of the roots. Okay, nature of the roots purely depends on the discrimination. Here discrimination is what? Inside what we have a root, right? B square minus 4ac, right? B square minus 4ac. So here d is equals to b square minus 4ac, nature of the roots. If b square minus 4ac is positive or else greater than 0, then real and distinct roots. Okay, real and distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then this is real and equal roots. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0 means no real roots. Complex roots exist. Okay, no real roots exist. That's all. This is the nature of the roots. Okay, we will solve few problems based on this. Okay, here we have a find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. Here, see here, third exercise is deleted. Okay, third exercise is deleted. In the fourth exercise we have first bit problem. So we are discussing first bit problem. What is asking nature of the roots? Okay, here given quadratic, first write the quadratic. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Compare with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. From here a is equals to x square coefficient is 2, b is what? X coefficient is minus 3, c is equals to what? 5. Therefore a, b roots, right? Nature of the roots. So nature of the roots can be determined by what? Nature of roots can be determined by discrimination. Okay, discrimination. D is equals to nature of the root discrimination. If discrimination is equals to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of the roots be real and distinct. Okay, real and distinct. If discrimination is equals to 0 means real and equal roots, real and equal roots. If discrimination is negative or less than 0, negative, then no real roots, no real roots. Okay, that's all. This is the basic concept, nature of the roots. Okay, nature of the roots, basic concept. So from here, given data here, first find the b square. Okay, b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is what? B square minus 4ac is minus 3 whole square minus 4ac. A is what? 2. C is what? 5. So from here, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. So you are getting negative, right? Minus 31, minus 31. Therefore here discrimination is equals to, discrimination d is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 31 as you are getting. Therefore no real roots, no real roots. Negative you are getting, right? So no real roots. First bit. Next bit what we have, 3x square minus 4 root 3x into, first consider this question and we will solve. Okay, so here second bit, 3x square given 3x square minus 4 root 3 into x plus 4 is equals to 0, and compare with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to what? 3, b is equals to what? Minus 4 root 3, and c is equals to 4. Discrimination is what? Discrimination d is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to, b square is what? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac. A is 3, c is 4. So 4 4 is 16 into 3 minus 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 12, 4 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 48. So okay, 48. Okay, 12 4 is 48. So from here 3 6 is 18, 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4, 48 minus 48. Therefore 3 6 is 18, 3 1 is 3 4, 48. So plus 48 minus 48 0. Discrimination is equals to 0 means what? Real and equal roots exist. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. That's all. This is the bit. This is the way of solving. Okay.